Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use WooCommerce with Elementor in 2024. Elementor is one of the most popular page builders out there, and when paired with WooCommerce, it allows you to create a stunning, fully customized online store without needing of any coding skills. So from you'll be able to create like products page to shop layout, and you can also control every design detail with ease of your store. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, you'll need to go and open this browser. Of course, for like WooCommerce and Elementor, we use WordPress. So go to wordpress.com. For me, as example, I'll just open my local host. But basically, if it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken here. So make sure to go at the top right corner, click on login to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, click on get started. And as you can see, you can use Google, Apple, GitHub, for logging into your account, and create an account you'll be able to use the same if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself here ready to start. So once you are here, of course, all you need to do, so for me, I'll just go to my local host. You'll need to go and install both the plugins of Elementor and WooCommerce. To do so, go to this left panel, go to this plugins, hover it, and click on add new. Once you click on add new, you'll be taken to another page. So let's just wait for the page until it's appear. As you can see, this one. Here, make sure to go to search plugins and look. Let's start by WooCommerce. So type here WooCommerce. Once you do so, you should find it right here. So all you need to do, just go and hit the install now button, and it should start installing. And meanwhile, you can go here and read the description, installation as example, frequently asked questions, change log, what they changed in the previous like updates, screenshots of how it's gonna look like, and also the reviews of other people. So, and basically what's installed, you'll have to go and click on activate to activate it now. Other than WooCommerce, you'll need to go and install also Elementor. So go back to the search plugins and type here Elementor. So Elementor like that. So once you do so, as you can see, you'll find this light right here. For me, it's already installed. You'll have basically to do the same. So click on install now. You'll find an install now button like this one. And then click on active or activate. Once you click on activate, of course, you'll be able to use it. For me, I'll not be able to activate it. Why? Because I have incompatible with my version of WordPress. So I'll need to go and change that if I want to do it. Of course, let me just go back basically here to plugins, installed plugins, and let's just check for the WooCommerce plugin if it's installed or not. So as you can see, here it's installed. E-commerce toolkit that helps you sell anything beautifully. As simple as that. Of course, you can here view the details to see if it's the right one. So as you can see, it's this right one. So once it's installed, you'll need to go and click on activate. But as you can see, again, for me, I'll not be able to use it because I have like incompatibility issues with it. So if I go here, click on add new, I'll just show you that in the store, they told me like it's incompatible with my version of WordPress, but it's fine for you. As you can see, for me, I have this because I have like an outdated version of my local host in here. But for you, just go and click on that activate and it should activate without any problems. You'll have to do the same basically with Elementor. So simply, if it's not activated, just go and click on activate and you should be good to go. For me, as you can see, the same, it will not be running because my PHP version is outdated again. So in here, once you add both of those, all you need to do, just go where you should start editing your page or your store. And you'll be able to use Elementor with WooCommerce without any issues. As an example, if you went to this pages here on this left panel and click on add new, you'll find this page in here. But you'll find a button called edit in Elementor at the top right corner. You'll find it somewhere in here. If you click on that, you'll be taken to start editing your WooCommerce store with Elementor as easy as that. To provide more visuals for you, we'll just try to access some articles. How to find those articles? I didn't want to open any. I wanted to open or show you even how to find one. So it's going to be simple. Just type how to use like WooCommerce with Elementor. You will find like 100 of articles to follow. For example, here and this one as well. Why not? And as you can see, WooCommerce tutorial A to Z of setting up online store with WordPress basically. So this is just how to use WooCommerce with WordPress. As you can see here, there's an icon of Elementor. It seems like they'll show you even how to edit things with Elementor. And even it's the Elementor blog, so it has to include itself, right? For example, they'll show you how to install the plugin. Go to plugins, as we said before. Go to WooCommerce. You'll need to go and create then provide your basic information, set up your payments gateway, configure some shipping, optional like extras if you want to add any things like that. Then you'll need to connect WooCommerce with Jetpack and finalize the setup. And basically how to use WooCommerce products with its table with Elementor. For example, how to add and manage products with WooCommerce Elementor. You'll need to go and click on add products basically. And as you can see, just follow the steps in here and you'll be able to do it the right way. In here, you'll be able to configure like the product data. And as example in here, you'll be able to edit stuff with your Elementor, as you can see. So just go and start adding your stuff and you'll be able to find Elementor in there. If you installed both plugins, keep that in mind. If you did not install the Elementor plugin, you will not have this option. So make sure to have it downloaded. As you can see, other than that, build a products page via Elementor. You'll be able to do so. And as you can see, Elementor will have like a drag and drop like that. Let me just see. So Elementor like demo. Was trying to see if they have like a demo or something like that here somewhere in the internet. Someone is posting it to use. Yeah, never mind. So anyway, and yeah, there's even this like article if you want to follow it as well. So it's totally up to you to choose whatever you want and follow it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.